Okay, so today we will start with the question number 11, which we left out in the previous lecture. So, Joshua, will you read out the question for me?
One angle of triangle is 61 degree and the other two angle is in the ratio 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3. Find
Okay.
these angles.
Okay, so in the given question, it is given that there are two angles. There is a triangle. Yes, name called A,
Yes,
B, and C. Let us take angle A is 61 degree. Okay,
yes, sir.
as given in the textbook. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Huh.
Yes, sir.
So the remaining what are the remaining parts? It is 1
One,
by 2,
1 by
1 by 2, 1 by 2, and 1 by
3.
3. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
No. So first of all, we have to convert these things into proper fraction. Are they proper fraction or improper fraction?
They're not in proper fraction, they're in mixed fraction.
They are mixed fraction. Very good. So we have to convert them in the proper fraction, right?
Yes, sir.
So how to do that? Like angle A is equal to 61 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
Angle B is equal to how much?
1 by 2.
1 by 2, which is equal to, how will you make it in the proper fraction? Like 2 into 1
2 into 1.
plus
So
1
yes, sir.
plus 1 na beta?
Yes, sir.
So it will become 3 upon
3 by 2.
3 by 2. Perfect. And angle C?
Angle C 1 by 3.
Which is equal to
4 by 3.
4 by 3.
3.
Till here you have any kind of doubt?
No, sir.
No. Now, see, these are not proper ratios now. Like if we say angle B is to angle C is equal to 3 upon 2 is to 4 upon 3.
3.
Is the denominator same?
No, sir.
Okay. So what we have to do, we have to equalize the denominator. Okay. Then only we will get the proper ratios. So for equalizing, what we have to do, we have to do cross multiplication. See, we have to multiply these two guys and these two and then these two. You know the LCM rule?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Then tell me what will come. Like if I will multiply 3 into 3, how much? 3 3s are
3 is a 9.
9 into, oh sorry, 9 is to
9 is to 8
8 upon
upon 6.
6. So according to this, angles B's ratio will be 9 and angle C's ratio will be
8.
8. Till doubt? Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, see, from here only your solution has been started. Okay. Solution, it is from here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let us take angle B is equal to 9x and angle C is equal to how much?
Angle C is equal to
8x.
X.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we know that the sum of all angles in a triangle is
All angle 180 degree.
180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to how much?
180 degree.
How much, beta?
180 degree.
180 degree. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is angle A?
Angle A
What is
61
angle A?
degree.
61 degree, na?
Yes, sir.
61 degree plus angle B.
Angle B 9 degree. 9x.
9x, beta. 9x.
Yes, sir. 9x.
And angle C.
Angle C 8x.
8x. which is equal to 180 degree.
180 degree.
Okay. So I hope you can solve from this point of onwards.
Yes, sir.
You can solve it, na?
Yes, sir.
Now just solve it. Okay. You will solve. You will do this. The completion of this sum. It will be from your side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me the answer.
61.
See. First of all, we have 61 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We will transfer it here.
Yes, sir.
So 9x plus 6x will remain as it is
Yes, sir.
equal to 180 degree minus 61 degree. Yes or no?
61. Yes, sir.
Now 9x plus 6x, how much?
9x plus 9. 15x.
15x. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Which is equal to 180 minus 61.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what will be the answer? 180 minus 61.
119.
How much? 100 and
19.
Hey, wait. We did one thing wrong. This is 8x beta. This is 8x. Now add them. How much it will come? 9 and 8.
17.
17. Okay. And 180 minus 61?
119.
119. Now tell me
19.
what will be the value of x? X will be 119 divided by
19
17.
divided by 17.
Tell me the answer now.
By 119.
Beta, tell me the answer.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Sir, 61.
How much beta?
61.
61.
Yes, sir.
Hey, come on, man. We have to divide now. 119 divided by 17. 17 sevens are how much?
102.
1 not. Hey, come on. 129, na?
Yes, sir. 129.
Wait. 1 7 the 14, 4 carry up, 7 on the 7, 7. 11, man.
Yes, sir. 111.
1 then your x will be x is equal to how much? 7. You are not paying attention, okay? Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
You are not paying attention.
No, sir. I'm paying attention.
Okay, then shall we move further?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first, once you got this x is equal to 7, then we have to find angle B and angle C. Angle B is equal to how much? 9x, right?
Next, yes, sir.
Which will be 9 into 7. 9 sevens are how much?
9 sevens are 63.
And 9, sorry,
8x.
Angle C is equal to 8x, which is equal to 8 into 7. That
7.
comes out to be 8 sevens are how much? 7 eights are
7 8 are 7.
Hey, come on, man. You don't know the table of 8?
Yes, sir, I know.
Then say it. Come on, say it.
8 5 are 40. 8 5 are 40. 8 6 are 48. 8 7 are 56.
8 sevens
52.
are?
52.
Hey, come. 52, how it came?
Sir, 56.
Don't be confused, okay?
Yes, sir.
Now copy down. Come on, fast. Copy it down. How will you find out this angle, beta?
180 minus 120.
Okay, then tell me what is 180 minus 120?
60 degree.
60 degree. If this is 60 degree and this both are also equal.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the equation in front of you? Like if this is a triangle. Okay, beta. If this is a triangle A, B and C, and you know that this is 60 degree and these both are same, right?
Yes, sir.
So the sum of this triangle will be angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Which will be 180 degree.
180 degree.
Yeah, angle A. What is angle A?
Angle A is
A degree.
A degree.
Plus angle B
Angle B 60 degree.
plus angle C,
A degree.
which is equal to how much?
180 degree.
So this 60 degree you will transfer here.
Yes, sir.
It will become minus 60.
Yes, sir. Minus 60.
And what we will do with these two A's?
2A, we'll take it as 2A.
2A degree is equal to 180 degree
180
minus
minus
60
60
degree.
degree.
Now tell me 2A degree will be 180 minus 60 how much?
180 minus 60. 120 degree.
120 degree. Now what will be then? A is equal to how much? 120 divided by
1 by
2.
2.
So what will be the A?
A is equal to 60.
60. So this will also be 60 degree and this will also be 60
degree.
degree. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can do it later on by homework.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Coming to the question number 7. Oh, sorry, 8-1 na beta?
Yes, sir. 8-1.
Okay. See, this is 40 degree.
Yes, sir. 140.
140, right?
Yes, sir.
What is this? What will be this?
40. 40 degree.
40 degree, right?
Yes, sir.
So in this question, we have to use the interior two interior angles plus opposite external angle will be equal, like this. If we have to use this property, if this angle is there 110 or 100, then both angles sum will be 100 degree.
Yes, sir.
I have taught you this property, right?
Yes, sir.
The sum of two interior angle is equal to one opposite exterior angle.
Opposite. Yes, sir.
So see, we know these two angles. This one,
Yes, sir.
inside 40 degree, and this
Yes.
2m.
2. Yes.
So can I say the addition of this will be this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, na?
Yes,
But I
sir.
will
We
draw
can.
the diagram over here.
Yes, sir.
Here it is M4, right?
M4. 4M, sir.
4M, 3M,
2M.
and 40 or 2M.
Sir, 2M, sir.
Okay, and you have 40 degree, right?
40
And
degree.
outside it was
140.
140 degree. So we know that these two are the interior angles,
Yes, sir.
and this is the opposite external angle to these two interior angles. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ये दो जो इंटरनल एंगल्स है हमारे, उनके ऑपोजिट का जो एक्सटर्नल एंगल है वो ये है.
Yes, sir. 4M.
So if we add this, we will get this one.
Yes, sir.
So let us find out the value of m. So how to find out? See, we have to add this na to 1. So 40 degree plus 2m is equal to 4m. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what we will do? We will take the variable term at one side. We have to take variable term at the another side. Like if it will be 40 degree, then 4m. What we will do of this plus 2m? It will become
Minus 2M.
minus 2m.
2M.
So 40 degree is equal to 4m minus 2m. How much?
2M.
2m.
M.
Okay. Now what will be the value of m?
M. 40.
Oh, 40 divided by 2.
Yes, sir.
So 40 divided by 2, how much?
Mm.
40
It will
divided by
be
2, beta.
20.
Yeah, perfect. 20 degree. Oh, sorry, 20 is the value of m. So how
M.
will you find out the value of this angle? Angle 4 into, what is the value of m? 20. So 4 into
20.
20, how much?
4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 80.
80. And what will be the angle? This angle? 2 into m, 2 into 20.
2 into 20, 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4. 40 degree.
40 degree. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
पक्का?
Pakka, sir.
लॉक कर दिया जाए?
Yes, sir.
So this will also be homework for you.
Yes, sir.
See how we did this one. Question number 7.
Yes, sir.
Same thing is applied over here
Yes, sir.
in question number
Sir,
9.
the same type of, yes, sir.
Huh?
The same type of question.
Yeah, same type of question it is. See, these both are same and we have to find this angle. Just tell me one thing. What will be this angle? Then I will be happy.
1 minute, sir. I'll tell you.
Yes, sir. You can take your time.
$75 degree.
How much?
75 degree.
75?
Degree.
Perfect, beta. 75 degree. Now you can do it by yourself, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So shall we move to the second point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we are going to start with the new topic also called as classification of triangles.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me one thing, beta. How many types of triangles are there?
Triangles. 6 types.
Name them. Okay, I will tell you. See, first there is equilateral triangle. Okay, In equilateral
Yes.
triangle, all the angles and all the measurement of the sides are equal. Okay. The second is isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, there are two sides which are equal and two angles are equal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then it comes to the scalar triangle. In scalar triangle, all the sides of the triangles are different. Okay.
Yes.
I will explain you. I will give you to write everything. Okay.
Okay.
Huh. Then the third three I told you. The fourth one comes at acute triangle, acute angle triangle, whose all the sides are below, all the angles are below 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
See, in your textbook, the first one with regards to their angle. See, the triangles are classified on the basis of sides and angles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The first one is acute angle triangle. In acute angle triangle, you will get, आपको क्या मिलेगा ना, कि जो सारे एंगल्स रहते हैं ये सारे के सारे 90 डिग्री से लेस रहते हैं. क्या रहते हैं? 90 डिग्री से
लेस होते हैं.
लेस होते हैं.
कम होते हैं.
कम होते हैं. राइट. परफेक्ट. सो it is a triangle whose each angle is acute. Acute means below 90 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If it crosses 90 degree, then what we call it as?
Acute angle.
What is the opposite of acute in mathematics? Opposite of acute angle, beta.
Acute angle.
Obtuse.
Obtuse angle.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. More than 180 degree.
More than not 180, more than 90 degree.
90 degrees.
Ah. Okay. So we will go further. So all the angles of this acute angle triangle are below 90 degree. Okay.
90 degree. Yes, sir.
The very next point is right angle triangle. Which one?
Right angle triangle.
Whose one angle is right angle. Right angle means how many degree, beta?
90 degree.
90 degree. When a triangle has a 90 degree angle, we call it as a right angle.
Right angle.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What? It is simple, na? No rocket science is there. Okay. Rocket science
Okay.
जैसा पढ़ने लायक कुछ नहीं है, एकदम simple है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next is obtuse angle. If one of the triangle is more than 90 degree, see, जब भी एक ट्रायंगल का एंगल 90 डिग्री से ज्यादा होता है, only one angle, बेटा, only
Yes,
one
sir.
angle has measurement of more than 90 degree, then we call it as a
Obtuse angle.
obtuse angle. You have to write all these definitions, huh?
Yes, sir.
You have to learn it.
Yes, sir.
Whenever I ask you something, you should be knowing about that.
Yes, sir.
Just mark it out. But I will change the color, which all things you have to write it down. From year to year, this heading you have to write. Heading
Yes, sir.
from year to year. Obtuse angle triangle, then year to year. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Have you marked it down?
Yes, sir. Marked it down.
Yeah. With regards to their sides, okay, the very next point, see, till now we studied about angles, right?
Angle. Yes, sir.
Now we will study about sides. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means all the sides of the triangles are unequal. Unequal means, beta,
They're not in the same measurement.
they are not in the same measurement. Like shown in this triangle. See, one is 2 centimeter, one it is 3 centimeter, and one it is 5
5
centimeter. Then we can easily say that all the sides of the triangle are different. Yes or no? They are unequal. So for that, we call it as a scalene triangle.
Scalene.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The next is isosceles triangle. See, isosceles triangle. Okay. In triangle AB, where it is? Okay. At least two sides. Okay. At least how many sides?
At least two sides.
Two sides. At least two sides. This is very important. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm not able to make it highlight. Okay. At least two sides of the triangles are equal. Means if this is 3 centimeter, then this will also be 3 centimeter. This might be whatever it want, but this should be 3 centimeter. If this is 3, then this is also 3. If this is 4, then this is also. Joshua. Okay. Now, in isosceles triangle, there should be, we were discussing isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, at least two sides should be equal. If this is 3 centimeter, then this should also be 3 centimeter. And if this is 4 centimeter, then this will also be 4 centimeter.
4 centimeter.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Till here, do you have any kind of doubt? Just go through everything and just ask me if you have any kind of doubt. Open a textbook, go through it and ask me if you have any kind of doubt. Till point number B2.
Yes, sir.
Just go through it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Hey, buddy. Hello. Can you hear me? Again, my net is not working.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I can hear you.
You are not visible. I think there is some network issue going on. You can hear me properly?
Yes, sir, I can hear you properly.
Okay, then let's move further.
Yes, sir.
So important properties of isosceles triangle. Now tell me, what is the meaning of isosceles triangle?
Isosceles,
How to recognize whether a triangle is an isosceles triangle or not? I have taught you 2 minutes before only.
it will not be in a particular shape of a triangle.
It will be in shape of a triangle only, but the what will be the difference now, beta? Isosceles will having two equal sides.
Yes, sir. Base will be not equal.
Third one will be not equal, but the both
Yes,
other
sir.
both will be equal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See. Okay, this is about angles.
Yes.
Okay. Wait, now I will show you something. Okay, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle has two equal sides. How many sides?
Two equal sides.
Two equal sides and two equal
angles.
Okay. If A,
Yes.
B, C Okay, if A, B, C are the name of the triangles, and we know that AB is equal to AC. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
We know that. So
Yes.
opposite angle to AC, which is opposite angle to AC?
AB.
Angle.
B.
Angle B.
BC.
And what is the opposite angle of AB?
AB. Angle C.
Angle C. So this two will be also equal to each other. Simple.
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now if I told you, okay, if I will tell you something now, खतरनाक वाला चीज बताऊंगा मैं तेरे को. If I told you that A, B, and C, this side and this sides are equal, okay?
Yes, sir.
Then which angle will be equal to each other?
B and A.
Wrong, beta. Just see na. If this and this are equal, na, what is the opposite
Yes.
angle of BC?
A.
Angle A, right?
C, A.
A is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
angle.
C.
Yes or no? See, opposite to this means tadang here, and opposite to this means tadang here. Understood?
C. Yes, sir.
Okay. So these two will be also to equal to each
Each
other.
other.
Now, और एक bomb. Do you burst crackers in Diwali?
No, sir.
No, you didn't like.
No. No.
Very good. A, B, C. Okay.
Yes.
Now tell me if this angle is equal to this angle.
Yes.
Okay, if this angle is equal to this angle, then which sides will be equal?
Angle A.
Hey man, I am talking about side. I am not talking about angle.
Sir, B and
Huh?
this B and C.
See, opposite side to this angle. Which is the opposite
Yes.
side?
B.
Only B.
A and B.
AB. We will say AB.
B. Okay.
AB
Okay.
will be equal to which side?
AC.
AC. And again one, the last one. If this is a triangle, okay, this is one angle and this is one angle,
Yes.
and both are equal to each other. The name of these angles are A, B,
Yes, sir.
and C. Now tell me which sides will be equal?
B and C
BC, perfect.
and A and B.
A and
B.
equal to A and B. We should say equal to A and B.
B.
I hope the properties are clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's write the properties. You can see it now properly, beta.
Yes, sir. I can see it.
Draw one triangle. Name it A, B, and C. First property, if two sides of triangle are equal, we called it as a isosceles triangle. Okay. The second
Yes, sir.
point, if AB is equal to AC, then the op opposite angle of both the side will be equal to each other. And the last point is, if angle B is equal to angle C, then the opposite side of both the angles will be equal to each other. You can see it properly, na beta?
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, just write it down. So these are the three major important properties for isosceles triangles. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Then
finish.
Joshua.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now next is equilateral triangle. Hey, equilateral, it is simple. Now tell me,
All the three sides are equal.
if all the three sides are equal, then all the three angles will also be.
Same.
See, if I will tell you, see, now one thing I will tell you. Equilateral
And
equilateral triangles. Okay, let's go further. In equilateral
sir.
triangle, all the sides are equal. Equal, see, EQ means here equal. Okay,
Yes, sir.
EQ means equal. So if all the
Equal.
sides of the triangles are equal, then all the angles of the triangle will also be
Equal.
Then all the triangles, all the angles of the triangle will also be the equal only. So write the first point. Equilateral triangle means all the sides of the triangle will be equal, like A, B, and C. Then AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Okay. Can you see it better? Joshua?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I can see it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, I can see it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, if all the sides of triangle are equal, then all the angles will also be equal to each other. And will always have angle of 60 degrees. Very important. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C, where angle A is equal to, which is, that is, say 60 degree plus 60 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Come on, Joshua, where are you? Hey, man. Are you sleeping?
Sir? Sir, this last line.
Well, I can't see you.
No, sir. Of 60 degree. A angle C. 4 60 plus 60 plus 60 is equal to. Sir, done.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Now, in this point, I have written something like, if all the sides of a triangle are equal to each other, then all the angles are also equal to each other. Okay?
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
When all the sides of triangles are equal and all the angles are also equal, then each angle will only become 60 degree.
Yes, sir.
Always, okay? Always in equilateral triangle, always the angle will be how much? 60 degree.
Degree.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Come on. Let's move for the second point. Next point. What is the next point?
After equilateral triangle, isosceles right angle triangle.
Okay. Isosceles Right
Right
angle
angle triangle.
triangle. Again, a easy one. Let us solve it. Yeah, I can't make 90-degree angle here. I will just draw it.
Yes.
Okay. So this is 90
Yes.
degree, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh. So in isosceles right triangle, what is there now? This and this side will be always equal.
Equal.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The side by side sides of 90-degree angle, like if 90 degrees here, then this side and this side will also be always be equal to
90 degree.
not 90 degree, equal to each other, man.
Yes.
Like if it is A, B, and C, if AB, BC is equal to AC, then this both the angles will also become equal.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Because this is isosceles, na?
Yes, sir.
If isosceles are there, then opposite angles of the opposite sides will also be equal to each other.
Yes, sir.
मतलब कि क्या है कि जब एक साइड दोनों साइड इक्वल है तो उनके ऑपोजिट एंगल्स भी एक दूसरे को इक्वल ही होंगे ना, जैसे कि इसका अपोजिट एंगल ये है और इसका अपोजिट एंगल ये है. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
टड़ांग एंड टड़ांग. यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
बट अभी इसमें ना एक ट्रिक है. यहाँ पे जब ये 90 डिग्री होगा और ये दोनों ये साइड और ये साइड इक्वल रहेगी, तो ये
Yes.
एंगल की मेजरमेंट ऑलवेज ऑलवेज लॉक कर दिया जाए 45 डिग्री ही होगी.
45.
ऑलवेज. ओके बेटा, ऑलवेज. ओके.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
if this angle is 90 degree and this side is equal to this side, then this angle and this angle will also be 45 degree only.
45
Always 45 and
degree.
45
Degree.
degree. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now write it down. First point. What the? And was it? With the sides are and which is equal to 45 degree.
Finish, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt till here?
Sir?
Any doubt till here, beta?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, what you do now, just go through whatever I have taught you till now.
Yes, sir.
Classification of triangles. Okay. Just go through
Yes,
it
sir.
like from beginning onwards. Okay. From classification of triangles from here, from isosceles triangle, the properties of isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, then isosceles
Yes,
right
sir.
triangle. Go through all these
Yes.
things and tell me if you have any kind of doubt.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You take your 5 minutes of time and tell me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So what I was thinking is that next there are few examples which are not that necessary. Or shall we do these examples?
Say your wish.
Your wish. Okay. I will give you some examples from my side only. Try to solve it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In given triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 45, 40, 60 degree. How much?
60 degree.
60 degree. Okay.
Yes.
And A B is equal to AC.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So let us draw the diagram first. Okay. A, B, and C. We know that AB is equal to AC.
Yes, sir.
And angle A is?
Angle A is 60 degree.
And find angle B and angle
C.
C. Now tell me, this is a isosceles triangle, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Isosceles triangle.
It is an isosceles triangle.
Yes,
So
sir.
both this angle will also be equal to each other.
Yes, sir.
But we know the measurement of these angles.
No, sir.
No. So what we will do? We will consider it as a x. What we will do? We will consider it as a
X
X.
degree.
And we also know that the total of these three angles will be
180 degree.
180 degree. So 60 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Yes or
180
no?
degree. Yes, sir.
So 60 degree plus 2x is equal to
X
180
equal to
degree.
180 degree.
Then we will take this here and it will be subtract, like 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then x is equal to 180 minus 60, how much?
120 degree.
120 degree. So your
Divided
x
by
degree will become 120 degree divided by
2.
2. So x will become how
60
much?
degree.
How much?
60 degree.
60 degree. So your angle B will also be 60 degree and your
Yes.
angle C will also be 60.
60 degree. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just go through these examples, few examples they have given us, like example number 3 is there, example 4 is there, and example 5 is there. Just go through it. If you can understand anything, then it is good. If you are not able to
Yes.
understand, then let it be. I will teach you in the next lecture. And here we are running out of time. Only 2 minutes are left.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is your Sunday schedule? Okay, I will just stop the recording and we will talk about the Sunday schedule. Okay.
Yes.